Are you stressed about passing your Microsoft PL-300 certification exam? Feeling overwhelmed by the massive amount of material and short on time? But fear not. Because Pass4 Future has a solution that will help you pass your Microsoft Azure Administrator exam on the first attempt, even with your busy lifestyle. At Pass4 Future, we understand the importance of effective PL-300 exam preparation. That's why we offer PL-300 exam questions that are not only real but also based on the actual exam content. Now, let's dive into the heart of it. We're going to give you a sneak peek into the quality of our Microsoft PL-300 exam questions with a demo. But first, make sure to visit Pass4 Future and explore our full range of updated preparation material. The link is in the description below.
Question number 1, question type, multiple choice. You have a Power BI report. The report contains a line chart that displays sales data for several regions. You need to add an element to the report that will enable users to filter the sales data to include only a selected region. Which two elements achieve the goal? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Note, each correct selection is worth 1 point. Options: A slicer visual, B a drill through filter, C a table visual, D a card visual, E a key performance indicator, KPI, visual. Question number 2, question type, single choice. You have a Power BI dataset named Finance that is hosted in a Power BI workspace. The finance team at your company is not currently a member of any Power BI workspace roles. You need to enable the finance team to use Microsoft Excel to analyze the finance dataset. What should you do? Options: A. Create a row-level security (RLS) role and add the finance team to the role as members. B. Provide an Excel workbook that is connected to the finance dataset. C. Grant the finance team write permissions to the finance dataset. D. Grant the finance team build permissions to the finance dataset. Question number 3, question type, single choice. You have a Power BI model that contains two tables named population and date. The population table contains two columns named population amount and date key. Date key contains date values that represent the first day of a year and are used to create a mini-2. The Power BI model contains two measures that have the following definitions. Total population equals sum, population amount, 2023 population equals calculate, total population date year, equals 2023. You create a table visual that displays date year, and 2023 population. What will the table visual show? Options: A 1 row per year that contains blank values for every year except 2023. B. 1 row per date that contains the population value for the corresponding year repeated in each row. C. A single row for the year 2023 that contains the related population value. D. 1 row per year that contains the same value repeated for each year.
Before you go, we've got an exclusive offer just for our awesome viewers. Use the discount code 30OFF at checkout to unlock a special discount on your purchase of our PL-300 exam questions. Don't miss out on the opportunity to get real Microsoft Azure Administrator PL-300 questions at an amazing discount. Head over to our website now, link in the description, and take advantage of this limited time offer. Like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video. Good luck on your PL-300 exam.